Hi beautiful souls, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. I hope you all are doing great. This reading is about how will your future spouse will describe you to others, okay? So you have three paths to choose from. Pile 1 is going to be get more information, and pile 2 is going to be a peaceful resolution, and pile 3 is going to be in the near future. And take this reading as an entertainment or as a general messages, general reading, okay? So this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest, and don't take it everything so seriously on heart, okay? And this tarot is just describing the current energies. It doesn't have to be exactly as it is going to be, okay? It's not like a setting in stone. Energies change every day, every month, in every second, every minute, okay? So you know the best, okay? And hope for the best always, okay? This is what I'm getting, and this is what I'm trying to tell you, okay? So be positive. Oh, okay, so let's start with your reading, by the way, okay? Hi pal, once you chose get more information, this is going to be a reading. How will your future spouse describe you to others? Okay, they are going to let others know that you are very wise, okay? And you are a very wise person. They feel very safe and very secure whenever they are with you. They feel like they can finally lean on to someone and they can trust you fully here, okay? They feel like you are a very guiding light to this person. You are very wise. You are very you are very comforting as a person to them, okay? And you make them feel that you make them feel that they want to be a better person for you, okay? Not just for you, but in general, you inspire them to be a better person or better version of themselves, okay? And they're very grateful to have you. They kind of show gratitude, okay, that they are so lucky to have you. They are lucky to find you, okay? And they find you super attractive here also, okay? You are kind of like a beauty with brain, okay? You have your magnetism, but also you are very wise, okay? So you have a perfect balance, and they really just like that, okay? They admire you so much here, okay? That's what I'm getting. One more thing, I feel like your future spouse will tell others that don't judge pile one, okay? Just when you meet them, okay? Pile one takes their time to open up, okay? And when they open up, okay, when pile one open up, it's just most amazing thing that you have ever witnessed, okay? So don't be a quick judge when it comes to pile one, because pile one may take time to trust others. And when pile one open up, it's just the most beautiful thing you have ever seen, okay? So this is what kind of a disclaimer that your future spouse will give to others. It's like your future spouse is not going to be someone who's going to be like over explain to everyone. It's like they are just telling, they are going to let this know to their close ones, okay? So it could be their family and friends, okay? So they're not kind of a person who's going to let everyone know. Like, they are not that stupid here, okay? How will your future spouse will describe you to others? I told you with the moon card, not surprise, okay? Your future spouse finds you with a like a full of surprises here, okay? What that means, like, you have layers to you, and they really like to get to know you more even every day. They are very mesmerized, like how you are so new, and like there is always in something new about you, and they just enjoy learning new things about you, okay? They love to know you with every new thing that they knew about you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, with the king of wands here and the knight of sword, I told you, they find you super attractive, and also they find you super wise here, okay? Very go-getter type of energy. Even you have this like a immense force within you that can have anything that you want, or you have the immense force to destroy anything that is trying to hurt you or trying to get in your way. You still chose to deal with these things in a very mature way, and they really admire this about you, and they let others know like how patient you are, how calm you are, how visionary you are, okay? They really respect you here, Pagwan, okay? they just really respect you. They feel like their meeting with you is fated and they are so lucky to have you. Okay, I'm just getting like your future spouse is going to be someone who's going to be very grateful to have you. Okay, they are going to show gratitude to go, like they are just going to pray to God that they are so lucky to have you as their partner. Okay, that's what I'm getting here with the three of cups in the back of the deck. They just also I told you, you make them feel very safe. Okay, you make them feel very comfortable in their own skin, and they really love that. Okay, they always wanted to have someone by their side who not just a love who are not going to be just a lover, but also going to be their best friend. Okay, they can share their inner feelings to them. Okay, they don't have to put a mask, okay, when they talk to you. Okay, they just love how everything is so clear between you. Okay, they don't have to wear some filters or use some sort of a technique to talk to you. They just feel like you are a very trustworthy person, and they can show you their vulnerability, their emotional side, their deepest darkest side. Okay, I feel like this person, your future spouse, has been betrayed in the past. Okay, just because, and when they open up to some people, they thought that that person or that people are going to be having their back, but instead they just backstab them, and it was so hard for your future spouse to open up again. Okay, and you help this person to get out of that shell. You help this person to like just overcome this fear here, and you did this if effortlessly. Okay, they are very happy to have you. They just let others know like how you are just a precious gem in this illusion. Okay, in this illusionary world. Okay, and they're so happy to have you here. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So that's what I have for you, pal one. I hope messages resonated. I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 peace. Hi, pal two. So you chose a peaceful resolution. This is going to be your reading. Okay, so first thing I heard, like your future spouse will say to others that you bring peace to them. Okay, you bring peace to their mind. Okay, to their chaotic mind, to their chaotic life. Okay, they would never thought that they would find someone like you. Okay, so it was like a miracle for this person that you came into their life, and you just make their life very peaceful. You make their heart very peaceful. You make their mind very peaceful. Okay, something about you being having a peaceful vibe to you, and peaceful, you are very peaceful to this person. Okay, that's how they are going to describe you to others. This person, okay, you know what, Paju, I'm just getting like just going to let you know your future spouse is a very fiery person. Okay, and this person is really having hard time to ground their energy, and you help this person to ground their energy. Okay, and maybe people kind of get intimidated how your future spouse can get very intimidating. It's not like this person is a toxic, but this person was dealing with some sort of a this person is dealing with something here. Okay, and that makes them very emotional. Okay, and they don't know how to really handle these emotions. Okay, and you kind of came into their life, and you just help this person to deal with those emotions. Or maybe this person can be very emotional. Okay, or very sensitive in general. Okay, this person may have a fire and water placements. Okay, it could be the case, and this person is, you just help this person to balance their energies. Okay, they just find it very beautiful, like how effortlessly you did this. Okay, it's like it's in your nature. Like this person is like Paltu just came into my life, and she just, or he just effortlessly helped me to calm my inner chaos down. It was so effortless, like how Paltu did that. Okay, and I'm just amazed. Like I never thought someone would just tame me. Okay, this is kind of vibe I'm getting from your future spouse. And this person is very talkative. Okay, this person is very fiery. Okay, they are not type of a person who's going to listen, but this person is going to be a type, they are going to be very talkative. Okay, they always have something, their mind is always playing some sort of ideas. They have to say, okay, something, they always have something to say. But when it comes to you, they are going to be listening. Okay, they are going to be adapting this ability to listen. Okay, they are going to be good listener with you. Okay, because they find you It's not like this person is very illogical, but they never find someone, okay, that they can listen to. Okay, this person feels like everyone is kind of like, they don't have the mindset that your future spouse share. Okay, so they never had someone who they can have a conversation with. Okay, very very like a uh, you kind of you just really connect with them on a mental level. Okay, and they really like that. Okay, they just really like that, they admire that so much, okay, about you. And this person is going to be very charismatic, this person is going to be very attractive. So there are a lot of people are going to be around this person. I'm not going to be surprised if this person is going to be in a public eye, or this person is going to be very popular within their community, or where they work, or within their families, or within their friend group or something. Okay, this person is kind of a popular. Okay, and this person really attracts a lot of people around them. So yeah, and they never find someone that they can have that conversation that they really really seek from within. Okay, some people, and you just have it all. Okay, what they have been looking for. Maybe this person doesn't want to be in a serious relationship, but they change their mind when they meet you. Okay, so that's how your future spouse is. Okay. Scorpio and High Priestess, two of Swords at the back of the deck. I told you, you help this person calm down with their mental chaos here. So these cards are confirming everything that I said. You came into this person's life like this Ace of Sword energy. You are someone like, they are going to let others know that you are not here to play. You are a very straightforward person. They just really like that about you. Okay, this is the thing. They like how you are so honest. They are going to like how you are so straightforward. Okay, sometimes you just use no filters, or you can be very blunt with your words, and they just like it. Okay, they just like it, they don't take it on a heart. Okay, they understand where this advice is coming from and where that tone is coming from. Okay, so they are going to understand you. Maybe people don't understand you that well. Okay, Patu, maybe when you try to give people advice, or when you try to say something nice. Okay, but people don't understand you, they kind of misunderstand the way you say those things. They kind of get it like offensive, offended by that. But your future spouse is going to understand this, like why you are saying this. Okay, they are going to like that, they are not going to be offended by that. Okay, and your future spouse is going to be like, pal to always have right thing to say, and I just love it. Okay, with the Hierophant energy, they see you like a very they see you as a very high person. Okay, they feel like your future spouse is going to like describe you as someone who's going to be very wise. Okay, um someone is very spiritual. Okay, with the High Priestess, and very mysterious, and they just like that about you. They like how you're so mysterious. You keep everything to yourself, and you just say what is right to say, and what exactly that you need to say. Okay, that's what I'm getting with the Three of Wands. They are going to love how you guys have your relationship. Okay, they are going to let others know that they are not serious about being in relationship. Your future spouse is like that. Okay, now, okay, that they don't want to be in a connection, they just want to live their life as they are living now. And this person, they don't want to be in a serious connection, but it change when they meet you. Okay, that they are going to let others know that I'm so grateful to have Patus in my life. Like she or he is the one. Okay, I'm just keep saying she, so it could be for some, like some she is watching this. Okay, so definitely, girl, this person is going to be head over heels for you. Okay, this person is going to like that everything about you. Okay, maybe people try to just impress you, seduce your partner, future spouse, but this person is like, meh, I'm not interested. I want someone who's going to just convince me with their words. Okay, they don't have to show me physically. Okay, they have to just convert. They want a conversation. Okay, this person is going to be very mental. Okay, this person is going to be very logical and very fiery in general. Okay, and they are going to love your calm and a very straightforward nature. Okay, this is what it's going to attract your future spouse to you. Okay, that's how they will describe you. And this person is like, Pile 2 is very generous with me. Pile 2 just love me unconditionally, and Pile 2 just always put so much effort into this connection and into me, and I just love that. Okay, this is how they are going to describe you to others. Okay, that's what I have for you, Pile 2. I hope messages resonated. I will see you next time. Bye, love and peace. Hi, Pile 3. So you chose in the near future. This is going to be a reading. So for this is going to be for some. If you are dating someone right now, they are your future spouse. Okay, yeah, you are going to be marrying this person that you are currently dating or want to date for some, or you are just friends now but trying to be something more than that. They are going to be your future spouse. Okay, for some. And if you haven't met them, it's going to be love at first sight for your future spouse. Okay, that's how they will describe you to others. Okay, they are just like, they are going to tell others like, when I saw Pile 3 for the first time, I know they are the one for me, and I just fell for Pile 3. It was love at first sight for me. This is how they are going to describe you to others. Okay. I don't know why, but I feel like you already know your future spouse here. Okay, there is something going on within this connection. Maybe, huh. Your future spouse will describe you to others as you are a very intuitive person. Okay, I don't know why I was getting that energy. So, and they feel like, okay, your future spouse will describe to others like, I feel like your future spouse is also someone who's very spiritual in nature. So they feel they are going to say that before they met you for the first time, for your future spouse, you kind of dreaming about them. Okay, or they are dreaming about you. Okay, and so they are definitely going to say this to someone close, that they were dreaming about you. Okay, before they met you. Okay, this is what I'm getting. And for some, you are their dream person. Yeah, for both of cases. Yeah, so they are going to describe you as you are their dream person. You are exactly the person that they want to be with. Or third case is like, they are manifesting you. Okay, so your future spouse is manifesting you, even if they know you or don't know you. They are manifesting someone like you here. Okay, and maybe your future spouse work in a field of a justice, or you do. Okay, work related to justice here, or military or government related job. Okay, for some, I don't know, I feel like this is the extra confirmation with the Five of Cups and Nine of Wands. Okay, your future spouse will describe you at others like, you are very good at hiding your emotions, and you don't let others know your sadness. Okay, it's not like you're faking your emotions, but you don't let your sadness to let your sadness affect others happiness. Okay, this is what I'm getting. You feel bad to hurt someone else, or they just really like your caring nature here, part 3. And even if you are struggling within, even if you are having a bad day, even if you are suffering from sadness, you never show it on your face. Okay, maybe you have a very beautiful smile, part 3, and you just cover up all that with your smile. Okay, and even if you are dealing with something hard, but you are always there to help your future spouse. Okay, you are always ready for them, you are always there to support them here. And they really like that about you. Okay, that's how they are going to describe you to others. And with the Justice card and the Ace of Wands, your future spouse will definitely say this thing to others, that you are worth the wait here. Okay, pile 3 is the worth the wait, and pile 3 is worth to fight for. Okay, if you are in a no contact situation, or there is some sort of a drama in your relationship, and if your future spouse have to fight for you, in the end they are going to be very grateful to have you. They are going to feel like you are worth the wait and you are worth the fight for. And your future spouse will see you as a prize here. Okay, it's not like they don't respect you, but this for them you are the prize. Okay, you are the award, like they that universe like giving to them because of their hardships. Okay, because of the how many heartbreaks that they have to face so far. Okay, it doesn't have to be only romantic. Because of the romantic connection, maybe this person um, grew up in a very harsh background, or this person have to go through a lot of struggles in life. Okay, and even for achieving what they have now. Okay, and you help this person to overcome their sadness here with the Five of Cups energy, and they are very grateful for that with the Ace of Wands. And you are very justifiable. This person, your future spouses, will say to others like, you are worth of many things. Okay, you are worth to all their love, their support, their possessiveness, their care, their gifts, their love. Okay, maybe they are going to be very affectionate, very possessive over you, or they are going to be always around you. Okay, there is something that they don't want to be separate from you, or they are going to be very clingy to you. Okay, this is not like, it is not something that you are not going to like. Okay, it's definitely something that you are going to like. Maybe you are manifesting someone like that. Okay, someone like simping over you. Okay, kind of a person. Okay, you are definitely getting that. Okay, this person is all over you. So they are going to let others know that this is for the reason. Okay, because Paltry deserves that kind of a love from me, and I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I can give Paltry that kind of a love. Okay, with the Nine of Sword energy and Paltry, your future spouse is going to be very insecure about losing you. They are going to have this constant fear in their mind that what if you find someone else better than them, and what if they lose you because they find you very attractive. Maybe whoever like your future spouse friends or close one will say that maybe their friends are going to let them know that how attractive you are, and they are going to be jealous of that, or they are going to be like scared of losing you, or they are going to think some negative stuff. It's not like they don't trust you. They just going to be asking themselves like, what if Padri just leave me alone. Okay, or left me for someone else. But deep down this person know that you are going to be like a fair deal for them. You are not going to leave their side whatever it takes. Okay, and but still they are going to have this kind of a fear, because there are a lot of people around your future spouse will let them know that how attractive you are, maybe, or they are going to see like how people are just turning back to look at you. Okay, turning their heads to look at you because you are a very attractive person. So they will not show you like how insecure that they get, or how scared they are to lose you, but this person may always going to be have this fear. Okay, later on it's going to be all sorted out, because they will know like you are the only belongs to them. Okay, something like that. Okay, this is what I'm getting for some. And you are like a world to them, and they are going to let others know that I just want to give Paltry whatever Paltry wants, and I want to travel with Paltry. Okay, so maybe you are going to be the couple who are going to be like talk of the show, and there are a lot of people are going to be very like talking about you. Okay, talk of the town kind of a couple, and there are going to be people are going to ask your future spouse maybe why you are spending so much on Paltry, or why you are always with Paltry, why you are always spending, kind of a couple goals kind of a vibe I'm getting from you guys. And they Paltry, your future spouse is going to defend you and your relationship with them by saying that because Paltry deserves it. Okay, you don't have to know. Okay, why I am doing why am I doing this for my Paltry. Okay, so stay back. Okay, that's what I'm getting for you, Paltry. I hope messages resonated. I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 peace.